Hey there, James. This is Alex with Advanced Digital Marketing. Talked to you earlier today. I'm going to get you three different strategies I'm going to talk about today that you can actually start to utilize to help you rank on the top of Google and bring in more customers to your business. Most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why am I doing this? What's in it for me kind of thing. I've found that a great way to start a relationship with a local business owner is by focusing on providing value, right out the gate. Not to mention, the majority of business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company, and sometimes the only reason or hesitation for hiring someone like me is you're not always sure who's an expert, who isn't, who knows what they're actually doing, and if they're gonna help me out here, right? So I've found by giving people an easy, free attack plan of actual things that you can do to impact your business for free, has resulted in some of these local business owners, still saying, you know what, Alex, I like you. You seem like you know what you're doing. You got some tricks up your sleeve. Go ahead and do this for me, right? So if by the end of this video, you actually like what I'm showing you, and you understand it, you see that there's potential and actual, you can earn more business because of these things. Go ahead and shoot me a message. Love to chat with you more about it. Yeah. So I'll get straight to the chase here. Sorry. So I'm going to show you three different things, James, that you could start to use to beat your competition online. And that's going to start off with number one. We're going to need some more content on your website. So, obviously, I'm sure you got a simple website built here. I think it's like the Google Maps, the Google My Business profile that they have. It's a free builder, and it works with sending your clients and stuff to there. But obviously, you're looking for a way to bring in organic searches, right? People that are looking for carpet cleaning, rug cleaning, upholstery, right? So yeah. So content. We're gonna need about 1,500 words to be optimized with Google. So obviously, these testimonials here, those will add to it a bit, but you don't really have much content here at all. So we're going to need 1,500 words. I'm going to show you your competition. It's Carpet Cleaning Pros, ocpros.com, and I don't want to leave you hanging. I'll show you what I mean by that. So Carpet Cleaning Orange County, CA. You see that right there? There's 350 search volume a month. Okay. Upholstery cleaning, Orange County, 250 right there. Okay. Water damage. You guys do water damage restoration. That's 150 searches right there. That's a lot of searches we're missing out on. So carpet cleaning, Orange County, California. Type that in. It's lagging on me. Sorry. Okay. So here they are. So obviously you have the Google ads here. You have Google Map Pack there. I'll talk to you that in a sec. So this would be your top competitor technically. It's Yelp, right? However, we're going to talk about your top local competitor, and that's Carpet Cleaning OC Pros. What I did is I threw them into this site that I use. It's called Ahrefs. You could use it as well. It's only about $100 to $150 a month, depending on the package. So I threw Carpet Cleaning OC Pros right here. You can see right there they get 120 organic traffic right there. And I'm going to show you the keywords that they're actually ranking for. That's driving that traffic, right? So Carpet Cleaning Orange County, look at that, 350 searches a month. Carpet Cleaning Orange, 450. Carpet cleaning Orange County, 100 Orange County carpet cleaning, carpet cleaners, right? Okay. And then I want to go over as well upholstery cleaning. And so, sorry, rewind. So I threw your website in here. And so obviously, as I'm sure, your website's not ranking for much. You know, it's got the one keyword. So what I tell people is it's basically an online business card. Business cards aren't gonna bring in any business unless you give them to people. Unless you give someone your website link, they're not gonna go to it, right? So we need to drive some organic traffic and 1,500 keywords, lots of content on your homepage is going to help with exactly that. Specializing with these keywords. So carpet cleaning Orange County. You guys do upholstery. There you go. Water damage. Orange County carpet cleaning. Okay. And I'll talk to you more about it. But carpet cleaning is going to be more of a longer term to rank. It's going to take a little bit more. But upholstery and water damage will be able to rank for that much quicker. You know, just a couple months. You'll be able to make it to the top. So yeah, I just want to make sure I'm getting to the right points here. So here's the Google ads, obviously, and Google ads work pretty good. They charge cost per click. You have to know what you're doing. There's a few things that most people tend to mess up on, and they're the slightest details. It's insane how they make as much of a difference that they do. So Google ads can help bring in some quick business, right? Some extra jobs. And then you have Google Maps. So the Google Maps right here, I'm going to go back to carpet cleaning though, because that's more of the main focus. Carpet cleaning Orange County. So the next thing I want to move on to is citations. And these are citations help your Google Map ranking. So when someone's looking up carpet cleaning Orange County and they look on the Google Maps, okay? Citations are business name, address, and phone number. So here you can see Pacific Ocean Carpet Care, name, usually the address is right there, and then phone number, okay? So citations are going to help out with that. I call it the NAPs, name, address, and phone number. So I'm sure you're familiar with Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Yext, okay, all these directories that you could put your business on, and they have your name, address, and phone number on there, right? So here's a tool that I use. It's called whitespark.ca. This is going to help you with citations. And, it only costs like $30-$70 a month. It's relatively inexpensive compared to the other tools I use. So I threw you in there for the keywords that you're ranking for, and I'm trying to do the comparison. So as you can see, you have currently 16 citations. So see on Yelp, Facebook, and then you can see your competitor. Your top competitor in your area is Dr. Carpet, and they got 57 citations. So I always advise my clients to, just beat their competition by a landslide. So let's get not just 58 citations, let's get 80, 90. So we just beat them by a landslide. We're that much further ahead. They won't know what hit them, and they don't have enough time to catch up, okay? So, and by the time they realize it, it's already too late, okay? So this will help you. You can see even your top water damage competitor. So again, this is going to help you show up on the Google Map Pack at the top in the first 3, okay? So you could literally copy every single one of these that Dr. Carpet has that you don't, right? Yellowpages.com, we don't have Yellow Pages, okay? Let's go ahead, type it in. Some of them, like Yellow Pages, might cost $10 a month or so, but usually what I do, I have a database of citations that are free, and it really helps out if you want these powerful ones that are beneficial. I'll talk to you more about that another time, don't worry. So yeah, so the citations are going to help. We want to beat our competitors there. Then the third thing I want to cover with you is another very important aspect to Google. I like to call it link juice, and it gives your website authority basically. Obviously when we search up carpet cleaning Orange County, we're not here on the first page like we want to be. So we need to beat out our competition in every aspect that I'm talking about today. We need more content than them, 1,500 words. We need to rank for these keywords. We need to have them on your homepage. You know, water damage, Orange County carpet cleaning. We need to have those exact phrases on your homepage. And then we need to send backlinks going to your site. Okay, so these are external links. Simply put, you have website A and site B. Okay, so your site A acts as authoritative in Google's eyes, and they're pointing to site B, which is your site. Okay, it's almost like a popularity contest. Or I like to say, just think of jumper cables. When you're jump starting a car, the car that's working, it's got the power, and there's a car that is a website car that's not running, battery's not on. It needs that juice, that power to start it up. Okay, sorry, I'm not much of a car guy, but I'm the website guy, right? So we need power, website links going to your website. For example, we also need it needs to be relative to carpet cleaning or upholstery cleaning. So we're not going to put your website link, okay, we're not going to put cleanchoicefloorcare.com on Pizza Hut, okay, or we're not going to put it on cars.com because you're not selling cars and you're not a pizza delivery, okay? That's not what you do. We need relevant websites, okay? So we can go back to Ahrefs, and this is so look, we don't have, as in your website, we don't have any backlinks or referring domains. However, I threw in Carpet Cleaning OC Pros, which is your top competitor for carpet cleaning Orange County. And you can see that, sorry, it's loading a bit slow. Oh boy. There they go. Okay. So you can see they get 120 searches a month. Okay. And they have 164 backlinks and 42 referring domains. So right here, this is called the power. This is the power that the websites, the backlinks, how powerful they are. And this is the number that's ranking it, right? And this is the trust that the backlinks have. So interesting thing. This will actually maybe help you understand it a little better. So your website is actually, look, it's got all kinds of trust, right? That's because it's literally from Google. It's you got it through Google Business. It's a free web builder, and it's through there. So it's not like these ratios, they are important, but they're not the only factor. Since it's literally Google building the site, it's their template, there's obviously a lot of trust. That means it knows the builder. Google knows the website, and it knows you completely, right? So here we go. Sorry. So here's a strategy I use. It's called the copycat method. I don't use it 100% all the way down to a T, but it helps. So you click on the referring domains that Carpet Cleaning OC Pros has, and you can technically copy every single one of these links. You go to cleaningtalk.com. That's definitely a relevant site. And go right here, open that tab up, and you just copy every single link, right? You put your info in there. You type up your company, create a profile, or those are the directory type of backlinks. There's blog posts. There could be guest posts, comments on blogs. It goes on and on, right? And it's a fine balance as well. So they can't all just be on directories. But this is a relevant site. That's what I mean by a relevant backlink. But yeah, this is just a good overview of what you could actually take advantage of. And yeah, so basically, the three things we talked about today were we're going to need 1,500 words on your website. We're going to need to add some keywords onto the site that are relevant to your business, like carpet cleaning, upholstery, flood, right? And then we're going to want more citations. We're going to need, let's get at least 70 more citations, okay? And then we're going to need relevant websites pointing back to your site, that'll give it power and trust. Okay, I also have access to a private blog domain, different blogs that are, very authoritative in Google's eyes. They're established 10-year websites, and they're not spammy whatsoever. And pointing back to your site, it'll instantly give it a boost and really help out. So once again, James, if you can actually implement these strategies today, and become number one across Google. You can either go with this information I provided you and do it on your own. But if you're wanting to, if you want me to help you out, I'd love to do it. If you're looking for a more effective route, looking to save some head and heartache, I could help you out. And you can reach me at 949-649-6093. That's 949-649-6093. Well, thanks for giving me a shot here. I'll get this video to you, James, and talk to you soon.